दलाल कौन आ? दलाल साडे पिंडां दे बादल कैप्टन ते केजरीवाल आ।
Lakha Sidana's rally in Bathinda, and remember, he's wanted since the 26th January violence by the Delhi police. And first images on your television screens, Amandeep, my colleague who's tracking the latest from ground zero, attending that rally and really trying to understand what's going on, is also with us on this broadcast. Amandeep, what is the Punjab police maintaining as of now? Because the Delhi police has made it very clear that they want this man in custody, they want to interrogate him, they want to understand the larger role he played behind the violence on 26th of January in the national capital. We'll go across to Amandeep in just a bit. He's tracking the latest for us, but the Delhi police earlier on named both activist Deep Sidhu and Lakha Sidana in an FIR in connection with the Red Fort incidents, in which the two have been accused of instigating the protesting farmers to storm the Red Fort on 26th of January, that is the Republic Day. And now this man, who has been wanted by the Delhi police, has been allowed to hold this rally with several of those supporters there who are attending his rally. Piyush, my colleague, also with us on the broadcast. Piyush, I was meaning to ask this to Amandeep as well. How is it that the Punjab police is covering this up, and what is it that the police is maintaining as of now as to why permission has been granted and why he's being allowed to hold this rally, despite how the Delhi police is questioning his role on what happened on 26th of January?
Well, Krishnan, remember that, we have been telling to our viewers that we are getting information from our Delhi police sources itself, is that, it was looking for this man, gangster Lakha Sidana, for a long period of time. And when, he is there in Bathinda, he's now seen openly doing a rally along with his thousands of supporters. These are also the images which we are showing to our viewers on our television screen is there. We can clearly see gangster Lakha Sidana. He is now holding rally. Remember that he has got a key role to play as far as the Republic Day violence is concerned, and the Delhi police is looking for him since the 26th of January. And now this man is seen openly doing a rally there. This is really unfortunate that a man who is on run, for whom Delhi police is trying its best, to whom Delhi police is trying its best to look for and arrest him, and seek his custody for the questioning in that Republic Day violence case. This man is now doing the rally openly, and Punjab police is allowing him to do so. Though Punjab police is maintaining that they have not got any information from Delhi police that they want his custody, they want to arrest him. But the man is accused of playing a key role as far as this Delhi violence is concerned. He is now openly doing the rally there, and thousands of people have now gathered there. What is so important here is that he is one of the prime accused of Republic Day violence, and he was absconding since 26th of January. And you can clearly see as to how a huge grand stage has been prepared in Bathinda's Maharaj village. And the people there have had earlier confirmed that, yes, he's going to participate.
Absolutely. The Punjab police, they're distancing itself from action against Lakha Sidana and says that it is up to the Delhi police to come and arrest him in Bathinda as he goes ahead with this rally that he's carrying out, that he's holding in Maharaj, which is also the ancestral village of the Chief Minister of Punjab. We leave it at that, Piyush.